In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a Microsoft Teams meeting invite. Let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step to ensure you can efficiently schedule your next meeting with confidence. When you first open your Microsoft Teams account, you'll notice a variety of options along the left-hand side. Here, you'll want to focus on the Calendar tab, which will serve as your hub for organizing meetings. Click on it and take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if it's new to you. Once you're ready, look for the option that says Schedule a New Meeting. Clicking on this opens the door to a host of customization options that will allow you to tailor your meeting invite to fit your needs. First up, you'll need to enter the basic details for your meeting. Start with a clear, descriptive title that will inform attendees of the meeting's purpose at a glance. Keeping your title concise yet informative ensures there's no confusion about the meeting's topic. Next, it's time to populate your invite with the attendees. Simply add the email addresses of the people you want to invite. Microsoft Teams makes it easy to connect with your contacts by allowing you to directly add them from your existing list. Now let's move on to scheduling. Choose the date and time for when you want your meeting to start and end. Make sure the selected time works for all of your attendees to avoid any scheduling conflicts. Consider including time for any necessary breaks or discussions that may come up during the meeting. Additionally, if you're hosting an in-person meeting, you can specify a location. In our example, we'll be setting the location as the office. Of course, you can adjust this based on your specific circumstances, perhaps opting for a virtual location if you're holding an online meeting. There's also an option to include a short message with your invite. This message can be instrumental in providing extra context or instructions that your attendees might need, such as discussion topics or preparation materials to review ahead of time. On the top right of the screen, you'll see settings for who can bypass the lobby. You have three options here. It's set to Only Me by default, which adds an extra layer of security, ensuring that no one can join the meeting without your approval. Similarly, decide who can present during the meeting. Again, Only Me keeps things simple unless you want to give that ability to others by selecting a different option. Once you're confident that everything is set up just right, all that remains is to click the Send button located on the top right. This action officially dispatches your meeting invitation to the added recipients, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to send a Microsoft Teams meeting invite. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more insightful videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.